Have you ever wondered how marine vessels maintain their structural integrity against the ocean's relentless forces? Organizations in marine shipyards frequently struggle with complex piping design and fabrication requirements, facing challenges in quality, efficiency, and compliance. Poor welding and fabrication practices lead to structural vulnerabilities, costly rework, and potential safety hazards that impact vessel reliability. Welding professionals and designers often feel overwhelmed by specialized marine requirements, lacking comprehensive understanding of advanced fabrication techniques. This knowledge gap creates uncertainty in design implementation and quality assurance. This course provides advanced tools for mastering marine piping design and fabrication. Participants learn sophisticated techniques for shipyard welding, quality control, and specialized marine applications. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in marine fabrication, improving build quality while ensuring regulatory compliance. The ability to effectively design and fabricate marine piping systems becomes a critical competitive advantage. Individual participants become marine fabrication specialists, capable of handling complex shipyard projects. Teams learn collaborative approaches to ensuring consistent quality in marine piping systems. At the organizational level, expect improved fabrication quality, reduced rework costs, and enhanced project delivery. Individual professionals emerge with specialized expertise in marine piping design and fabrication. Transform your marine fabrication capabilities today.